Good morning, this is Yuki and this is edition number 9 of your daily MILLI. MILLI is the number 1 meme coin on DCbatman.eth. It's a community coin and it was launched 2 weeks ago. I recommend you go to the website milli.dog to get all the links and information in case you want to join the party. And if you need a more complete tutorial, I made a video just for that and the link is in the description. Today, the big news in the MILLIverse is the announcement of the winners for the meme contest. There was an incredible amount of participation, some wild creativity, and in the end, 3 winners. The first place went to Asta, second place to Gemma Vitor, and the third place to DYOR. Let's have a look at this first place and you'll see it's very impressive. And you see there's a whole long video about this little MILLI fighting his way up. I had to cut it a little bit, but I really invite you to check MILLI's official Twitter to check that video. To Asta, congrats again. Second place, also an amazing work. Some 3D render of an actual MILLI coin in a toy box with a nice rocket flying around. And for the third place, looks like the whole family joined together to build this video, and I'm not even too sure what's happening there. But it looks like they had a lot of fun, and I think that's what matters. So again, congratulations to the 3 winners, and I can't wait for the next competition to see how we can top that. Now if we head over to the crypto market, we'll see that today is mostly red, with pretty much everything dropping following Bitcoin. Even the most popular meme coins went down pretty heavily, with -18 for Dog with Hat and -20 for Book of Meme. Now let's take a look at MILLI, and we can see that of course it also reacted badly following Bitcoin's decrease with a 25% drop. It has already bounced back and re-entered the triangle, and is leading me to think that we can still reach and surpass all-time high before the end of the week. And don't forget, on March 22nd, there's a big news waiting to be announced, which could be a stacking program, a burning mechanism, another contest, but whichever it is, it's probably going to be super bullish and a massive catalyst for the price action. So hold on tight, buy the dip if you can. Remember that nothing I say is financial advice, so make sure you only spend money you can afford to lose, and don't forget to have fun. That's it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe. Ciao, ciao.